Welcome, everyone. Is a CUBOT X30, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. From there, once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off option, and this will bring up the window reboot to safe mode, which you simply confirm by tapping on OK, and this will initiate the reboot. And as you can see, there is a safe mode watermark in the bottom left corner of the display, confirming that we have successfully booted into it. So that is how you access it. And in this mode, only the most essential apps are working. Everything else is basically prevented from starting up. As you can see, the clock isn't even working here. And that is so you can test if your device is having problems, if it's based because of some kind of app that you have installed, or maybe it's just a device itself malfunctioning. And once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and select restart, confirm it, and once the device is back on, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android and safe mode watermark is gone, so the device is back in normal mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.